Why there is no good Bluetooth microphone as the title suggested, and I'm saying Bluetooth microphone, not saying wireless microphone. They are two different things. So basically I was searching external microphone for my GoPros, and I come up with one product which have Bluetooth feature, so I bought this pair of microphones. But later I find out the Bluetooth is not working, or at least it's not working as I expected. I contacted customer support why the Bluetooth doesn't work. I only have to physically connect a wire to my iPhone or to my GoPro for the recording to work. Why the Bluetooth doesn't work? And the customer support answered me, you cannot use this product this way. The Bluetooth is not meant for recording purpose. It's meant for you to enjoy music from another phone. I was shocked and I feel like cheated. But later I find out it's my fault because there is no such thing as Bluetooth microphone. If you own a Bluetooth headphone or a Bluetooth headset, no matter what, it can play music and it can make a call. You can do a test. You go to your recorder or voice memo, record your own voice through the Bluetooth device or through your phone itself. If you through your phone itself, the audio quality will be much better than your Bluetooth headsets, no matter how expensive it is. So for example, this AirPods Pro 2 is $250 US. And here is the traditional wired cheap $20 headsets. If you do a testing for the recording quality, you will find the $20 option giving you way better recording audio quality. And it is not because the microphone inside this expensive AirPods Pro is bad. Actually, the microphone inside, it's incredible. If you turn on something called the transparent mode, it will record outside sound and then play back to you. So when you use this transparent mode, the audio quality for the outside sound, it's just sound natural. So this can prove the microphone inside actually is good. But in order to transfer the audio signal back to your phone or computer, it have to use Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth bandwidth is allocated for music playback, but not for audio recording. So if you want high quality audio recording, you need to make the music playback sounds awful and giving all the resource for the recording channel. But there is no such Bluetooth profile to do that. So if the Bluetooth profile cannot make such arrangement, so there is no product like Bluetooth microphone, because the microphone need the bandwidth to be allocated for recording, not playback. And lastly, let me introduce you how the Bluetooth work on these products. So this is a typical setup for a wireless microphone, not a Bluetooth microphone. If there is a Bluetooth microphone, the dongle is not needed. The microphone should pair with the camera or the phone directly. But this is a wireless microphone, so you have to add that dongle connect to the camera or phone physically with a wire. And between the dongle and the microphone, it's a private non-standard wireless communication, so it doesn't limit it by Bluetooth because it can allocate whatever the bandwidth for whatever the thing. Here, the bandwidth is being used for recording, not playback. And now here's the interesting part which triggered me to buy this Bluetooth microphone. You see, this microphone itself is a complicated device. It's not just a microphone, it's also a computer. So it also have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You can put a headphone onto this microphone, and through this headphone you can hear what is the microphone is capturing. So because this is also a computer, so you can use this microphone as a Bluetooth headset. And your phone will pair with this microphone with Bluetooth protocol, not the receiver. And now you can hear what your phone is playing, for example, music, YouTube, whatever, and your microphone is actually acting like a Bluetooth headset. So that's how the Bluetooth work on this microphone. And okay, that's it. Hope this helped you, and don't buy the wrong product like me. If you like this, please give me a like.